how can I get sole custody of my children? I've been asked this question by a lot of concerned parents, and let me tell you how this works. In Florida and in a lot of other states, it is very difficult to get true sole custody, meaning all the time with the kids and all of the decision making with the kids. I'm not trying to be dramatic here, but really somebody has to be in jail for that to happen, or the other parent has to have done something just heinous with the children. I've seen it come up in cases of sexual abuse, serious substance abuse issues that have long gone on unresolved, and situations to where one parent has been physically violent towards the child. Unless you're in one of those situations, it is exceptionally difficult to get true sole custody. You really have to have abuse, abandonment, or neglect type situations, at least here in Florida. However, there are safeguards that courts can put into place when the other parent is not completely capable of being a safe parent to the children. If the other parent has substance abuse issues, there can be certain restrictions on when they can see the kids. Do they have to see the children with a supervisor? Do they have to do certain drug and alcohol testing right before time with the kids? Things like that, common sense reasons that can be put into place into a safety-focused parenting plan. These judges, they have a statutory duty to make sure that the kids have a relationship with the other parent as much as possible if that other parent is safe. And even though they have that duty, they also have the obligation, and they take this seriously, to protect children from harm. They need to do no harm with their time-sharing orders, and in my experience, just about all of the judges are very careful when there are legitimate reasons somebody is not safe around a child, and they are very quick to impose reasonable restrictions on conditions of a parent seeing a child when there is a true reason that would represent them not being safe to be around kids. I hope this has been helpful. If this is a question that's truly on your mind, you should be talking to a lawyer for a more individual opinion. This stuff is exceptionally fact specific. Sometimes in these cases, we need to get psychologists, psychiatrists involved to do certain testing to prove to a court that an underlying psychological condition or substance abuse condition exists. Sometimes we need private investigators to show what's really going on. This stuff can kind of get complicated, so you want to make sure you're talking to an attorney that knows how to handle this stuff. If you have questions, please put them in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more of this content. Check out all the free resources that are linked in the descriptions. We've written books on almost all aspects of the divorce process. We give them away for free. You can claim your book by clicking below. We also have question and answer live webinars, typically once a week or pretty often. So you can look at the description for the link to register for those. Otherwise, thanks for watching. If you're dealing with a divorce situation or paternity child custody situation in the South Florida area, please consider my law firm, the Bruce Law Firm. We represent clients from Vero Beach south to Miami. Again, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.